Okay, FM 101.7.
Lawyer Abraham Amaliba, Director, Legal Affairs of the NDC. Nya yenene dwenkomo. Council, memoachi.
Mejumo so say.
Boko na so
Me hu ya pa.
You, when the electoral reforms NDC mo propose ba mo de koma electoral commission no wasi there bi mo fa nkoma IPAC na enura no mo ye yadom mo ni nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ ehia ye ma mo de ama kyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra wadaroma edebe na ewom ye the salient points and high points woni ewiase nyina bɛkyɛ afa reforms ama propose de akoma electoral commission no
Yo, medase. Reforms on the dolphin, but all kind, I'll just touch on a few of them. Back on the say, yeah, proposal say, I'll share electoral commissioner on one or more organized elections in Ghana, on one so and or more regulated political parties. Into say, we should have another institution that will concentrate on regulating the political parties. Nayama easy to deal with their core business of organizing elections. Also, political parties law no more, act no more. Actually, some political parties political parties must have offices in all districts. Requirements be a It say to me, that function echo another institution where they will be dealing with those regulatory issues. Now, only office or BBN and after Chikobu number one and after Garutin Pan, I don't only that office. So they will have to deal with the regulatory issues. Now the EC will concentrate on its core business. That's one. Two, so yes, sir.
Now, me about regulatory issues, you know, most of one of them na potty.
Yes, sir. Yes,
a cool, your commission
will be responsible for regulatory work. No, is no. That's what we are saying.
Okay.
Because the CIANO, the EC is focused more on the elections than the regulation issues. No, yes, it's a EC. Ako sanction political party. We say. When you look at the laws, only office baby, and I say,
but me about kukra, me who political party be yes, if UDS. First time I'm TB, I saw me call IPAC meeting one baby.
So those are the things. So, and I'm say, our more focus is on the elections, or more share regulatory part in the year. So we think that we have to divide them. That's one. Two, and so you say. And I'm saying, the commissioner, the returning officer for elections, If Fatase say a president appointed Sani Pakro in consultation with the Council of State, Sani Pakro no yamfano call Parliament for approval. Where any yes or because Oshia Chief Justice Kurampo were independent, or is supposed to be independent, they did not call for parliamentary approval. When we are able to do that, the president ever appointed Obia, Obedrin say, Nipa Corona made no corner. Opposition for no, Ombedia to man as Omonjintum. And I'm saying you need to test of parliamentarians to approve of that person. And so at the end of the day, the parliamentarians approve Crampoa. It will be that opposition, Crampo, were part of the process of appointment. Because of the approval process. In this, the patrona, you be appointed as a EC chairperson. And the patrona will be acceptable to all Yenina, and then we can work with that person.
Now, I want no mommy, I and Chemokakra. I want no why ne be you know. Now, we are Obeko approval process and Ebefasaya na bedu parliament.
Normally, President. Every appointment in consultation with the Council of State. Those aspects will still remain. The president will appoint in consultation with the Council Council of Elders, Council of States, Council of the States rather. Say that process in area, it is not final. You see, yes, nipa kono and Parliament for parliamentary approval, so that you bet you two tests. To get to test is a difficult thing. It means that nipa kono over to two tests, no. He's one person who will be acceptable to all the stakeholders. Will be interested in our electoral process. Coming from Parliament and the approval, no, it is clear. When you want to it's always associated with the appointment of electoral commissioners, no, and no, it will die, and that will have peace, and we can all work together as a nation. And so that is the other recommendation.
Now, no tenure of the electoral commissioner, and so can was him.
No, we didn't touch on that. I think we think it should still be the way it is under the constitution.
Okay. Yes. And then you might be a baby, must touch it on.
Yes, sir. Making your friends IPAC give IPAC a legal backing. You see, IPAC, yes, you send your IPAC. Our electoral processes. So we need we'll give it a legal backing. Particularly, Senia Jemensa is conducting affairs at IPAC. No? IPAC is a consultative body, but Jemensa, we've heard her several times. Oh, we're not bound by IPAC. We're not bound by IPAC. But we also know Senia IPAC is a electoral process. No? And so the fact say we will not always have, and this is an example, we will not always have an EC chairperson who would want IPAC to work well. No? There's a need, you better actually have legal back on Martin Crawford can say, there's no need for that because it will amount to interfering in the work of the EC commissioner. And yes, you can say, if you're a judiciary, there's no institution that must be more independent than the judiciary, but judiciary or more judicial council. Judicial council has interfered in the work of the chief justice, so it can be done, and that is one of the recommendations. Last one.
Meet you.
Last one. I'm going to join any near Omoka say, your proposal. EC4 a proposal say, we'll close our elections at 3 p.m. No, and also you say, I did a year next year. Almost from 5 to 3. The 5 to 3 have served us well. Most of our people are in the rural areas. I'm sorry, I'm not with food. Most of them go to the farms, and I'm from farms by 3 o'clock to join the queue so that they can vote around 5. Into the time echo 3 or more on the phone because our voting days are not holidays unless we put it say a holiday. Until we do that, no. Obia and a holiday won't mean catch will be man on the phone. And so we think that you should maintain the 5. It has served us well. Nothing has happened, and we think that the 5 should continue to be there.
Oh, okay. Now, Matisse sa proposal see mode asan call electoral commission. It says John Dramani Mahama Kwade or can say Munyano EC stroke IPAC. But Madiamatian say Omasa redirect Muse. Still now more from IPAC because the simple reason is so be so any proposal to the year electoral commissioner. A baby to Obia or Bibia on family IPAC so that no more discussing no Bibi says
Tisa, and that's the problem because IPAC Nankasano. Your proposals calling for the reformation of IPAC. IPAC, send your STA at the moment, you know. EC, me, or any political party Bakubina all cancer wanting to do that, and as many office ground put that, and as they've not taken part in election beat that, then they will come there. On mobile soa, say it depends on which political party are ABR or Multimia Casama they'll insist there because ECCC can not IPAC and vote. ECCC Jamesa has adopted a procedure where they'll be voting. Into a Kobanisa now audio proposals na a crown poor. It depends on 10 maybe a proposal on FIBA. You can be outvoted. Into a say political parties be a war. They are only in name, and there's no way that the EC should be inviting such people to IPAC. Into IPAC Nankasano, we want it to be reformed. And so you've heard the EC say, "Yanfa proposal and IPAC," so that it will be outvoted. And yes, so that 6 o'clock news, NDC proposal rejected by IPAC, but we are okay almost say there are a lot of good proposals in this recommendations. Proposals are it is important that those recommendations should not die as a result of Nkrofobia or more and need in America or more need that kind of clout in our electoral processes, no, to come and outvote all these good proposals in our position paper. No. We are thinking that one of the proposals is for them, apart from making IPAC legal, no, more legal back, no, composition of IPAC needs to be looked into. So also you have a proposal about Embra with a current composition. How are we going to get these proposals through? But everybody will be what say some of our proposals. I say a binomo AFA, a binomo yomonjintum, and that is good for our democracy. But near AFA, no, why won't we have to implement it?
Law now, any money be also is a entrenched position. Ewa your constitution no and no sam kai ben dey se ba se letter commission giatum se so be it yanye ensisan wo mu
entrenched clauses, yes, I agree.
Yes, entrenched clauses, yeah.
Yeah, entrenched clauses, yes, I agree. And so there's a way to go about it. This is assembly election. So most of the time, no, the problem I work with entrenched clauses and say, person on say to engage in people determining say almost a way answer yes or no, because and also the cover. So what we can do is say during our different election level elections, and I'm saying already people will go and vote, you know. You can include those issues there. Offer paper, say balance over something, and now I also now I and we can take it through that process.
Sir, reforms mo hwe ni mu akopem brebe timeline bi da ho before 2024 elections and now say aftermath no kra no chietimi yese oman a ebeboa
ebinum see anya issue kwa na these proposals are directed at anya issue kwa. Some are directed at EC, ebinum so are directed to Parliament, and ebinum so krampo is the executive. Into Parliament, those ones will go to Parliament. EC in the end will also go to the EC, and we expect these changes and as amendments will be done before the 2024 elections.
Oh, okay. Papa na say mo de eko na mwanya character be response be every electoral commission.
Particularly electoral commission nya charter to almost say Oma Jetum say the proposals are back, but they will look at it. That letter was signed by the deputy commissioner in charge of operations, back on Bossman.
Yeah.
Back on, yes.
Okay.
Into one say, yes, she said. Isi asapa about the ekase yampa proposals from Embra before IPAC. Omo akasa and Omoka says, oh, they have taken it, they have looked at it, they will look at it and deal with it. So for them to also come back and say, we should come to IPAC, you know, it's where we have a problem because the current composition of IPAC, you know, any idea it will be friendly to some of these proposals. You just send some good proposals and people will just outvote you, and then it will be thrown away. That's the issue.
Oh, okay. Lord, yeah, medal scenario, baby, and some maybe see why.
Yo, me that's far.
Mesmeda say lawyer Abraham Amaliba, director legal affairs of the NDC. And I train come patch.
Okay, FM 101.7.